Gems usually have inherent properties, but a series of activities are performed on gems that multiply their properties. The first case, the lathe. All kinds of cuts that are done on the gems increase the polishing and shine properties as well as the effectiveness of the gem. The second case, the writings. Special writings are usually written on the gems. These also in different rituals, and this feature multiplies the gems. The next thing is to use base metal such as silver and gold, which can affect the effect. The fourth thing is the way of charging and how to recover the energies inside the gem. This work also plays a very key role in the effectiveness of gems. In addition to all these things that we have said, the owner of the gem also plays an important role in the effectiveness of the gem. Mood, positivity or negativity, and the level of attention of the person, all these are recorded on the gem. For this reason, people often prefer to use a gem that has been cut recently and has not had a previous owner, or they use a gem whose previous owner was a worthy person. Even in the market, you have to pay more to buy gems that belong to privileged people. The solutions are the experiences that owners of collections and antiques and users received about gems, and any of these additional actions that are performed on the gem will increase the effectiveness and the level of communication between the owner of the gem and the gem. The topics related to writings are at the core of specialized topics, and it should be addressed in specialized courses so that people realize the necessity of this issue, that they shouldn't prepare any gem with any writing and not have it with them unless they find knowledge about that writing and its side effects and results. Thank you for being with us so far. If the video was useful for you, please like the video. We will answer your questions in the comments. To see the next videos, subscribe and press the bell to be notified of the next videos. Until the next video, God bless.